What up, party people? Are you the type of person who doesn't want to miss a single beat on your wedding day? Yeah, me too. And since I'm not about to learn the ins and the outs of the art of videography, I decided to find the best in the biz and ask him to form an alliance.
Do you want to form an alliance with me?
Absolutely, I do.
So Shyah and I became friends on Instagram strictly based on the fact that we both love The Office. And since that's a non-negotiable for me and any friends, they have to watch The Office, I was like, okay, this dude's cool. And then I received a message that said, hey, can I have your mailing address? And I thought, sure, okay, yeah, let's just hand this off here. So sent him my mailing address. I'm like, oh, maybe it's gonna be like an invite to a birthday party or something. But instead, it was a box full of the most disgusting flavors of Jelly Bellies. And I thought, well, what an awesome gift. So I messaged him, hey, thanks, man. And he asked me, would you like to do a live stream on Instagram of us tasting these disgusting Jelly Bellies? And I thought, yeah, actually, I would like to do that and, you know, have all of my clients watching while I'm gagging and trying these Jelly Bellies. So we did a Instagram live together and it was so much fun. And I thought, this isn't your typical wedding videographer that I have never met before and is asking me to do this disgusting live stream together. But it was amazing and I knew, okay, we have the same vibe here. This is awesome. Why did I take the time to tell you all of this and what's the importance? Well, it's that I'm not your typical wedding photographer and he's not your typical wedding videographer. So I thought, what better two people to form an alliance and an ultimate package to serve our clients? Experience, experience, experience. Great minds think alike when it comes to the client experience, which is so important to both of us. And that's one thing I've always noticed with Shyah is he upholds the client experience and just pushes a lot of value into that. So that's when I thought, okay, we gotta get together here and we gotta create something freaking amazing for our clients. So this ultimate package was created to overall enhance your experience for wedding day experience, for wedding planning experience, and overall just make it nice and easy for you. As Michael Scott says it best, KISS, keep it simple, stupid. And why mess around when searching for the wedding photographer and videographer of your dreams when we're literally standing right here? That is, if you're wanting the wedding photographer and videographer duo to show up to your wedding and bring the party! We are beyond stoked to say that we have created a platinum experience package, and here's a little more info on it.
When your photographer and videographer work well together, your wedding experience is so much more enjoyable. You don't have to do the same poses twice, you have two people looking out for you, and your photos and videos turn out way better than if we were competing for the same shot. I'm excited to team up with Esther and join you on your wedding adventure.
So smash that contact button below and we'll give you this huge package.
That's what she said.